All right, guys, so let's talk about conservation today and how it might be a good time to shift our perception on how we view conservation. So when I think about environmental issues such as pollution, overharvesting, or habitat destruction, I'm triggered to respond by fighting, restricting, controlling, and frankly, just wanting my side to win and the other side to lose. And by the way, Germans actually have a word for this called Schadenfreude. Oh, thunder. Which is taking pleasure in somebody else's troubles or pain. But I digress. And so now maybe we should consider we practice what we preach and we let our actions and mindfulness do the heavy lifting. Let me explain. All right, so we love to categorize the actions of others, such as poachers or developers or policies, as right or wrong or good or bad. It's kind of like we become the judges of wildlife and we want to control what we perceive as best. But I think that serving conservation can be better accomplished by inspiration rather than coercion. So I already provided some graphs meant to incite fear, anger, and hopelessness. And so what I'm saying is that even though those images are pretty effective, they're also very divisive. And that might not be the best winning strategy. All right, so then that means what is the alternative? Well, maybe we provide calls for like reasonable action and we address the fundamental causes of issues as opposed to superficial ones. It's not us versus them, it's providing solutions that promote conservation. For example, lots of blame could be given out for habitat fragmentation. The farmers, the loggers that clear land, the urban sprawl developers, and so on. But rather than placing blame, we raise awareness of the issue. We advocate for wildlife corridors, less consumption, sustainability, affordable urban housing, and preserving and restoring natural habitat. So I read about all this mindful philosophy in a book I recently read called Conscious Conservation by Dr. Haley Adams. I highly recommend it. And so I'm trying to incorporate that more and more into my life as a conservationist. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my thoughts. Okay, and of course it just stopped raining when I finished.